Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Settings and locating the app you want to change. Once there, make sure Notifications Permission is on so options appear. Tap the app immediately, then enter its Notifications menu. This step exposes sound controls and categories. If the app uses notification channels, you'll see separate entries for message types. Make sure you're editing the right channel. Adjusting the wrong one won't affect the sound you expect. Now proceed to pick the channel you actually want to modify. Once you're in the channel, tap Sound to open the selector. This shows system tones and any custom files. You can pick a built-in sound for immediate effect, or choose Add/Select to use an MP3 or other supported file from storage. Make sure the audio file is accessible and not DRM protected. Adjust vibration and priority while you're here to match how noticeable you want alerts to be. When done, confirm or save so the system applies the new notification profile. You're almost finished. Save changes and exit settings, then trigger a test notification from the app or send yourself a message. If you don't hear the new sound, make sure the device volume and Do Not Disturb are not blocking alerts. If the change still won't apply, restart the app or reboot the device to refresh settings. As a troubleshooting tip, reset the specific notification channel or clear the app cache. That often resolves stuck or silent notifications and forces the system to reload your new sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.